The Toyota Grand Highlander is a large three-row SUV designed for maximum flexibility in passenger and cargo arrangements. Understanding your seating options helps you choose the right configuration for your needs. The Grand Highlander offers two primary seating configurations to accommodate different family sizes and preferences. You can choose between an 8-passenger configuration with a bench seat or a 7-passenger setup with individual captain's chairs in the second row. This cutaway view shows the captain's chair configuration, which provides individual seating with enhanced comfort and convenience features. The 8-passenger bench seat configuration maximizes seating capacity. The 60/40 split design allows flexible folding, while the center position includes a full lap and shoulder belt for safety. Captain's chairs provide premium individual seating with enhanced comfort features. Each seat includes armrests, cup holders, and the ability to slide and recline for optimal positioning. The third row offers adult-friendly seating with a 50/50 split folding design. Higher trim levels include power folding capability, while all models feature dedicated climate controls and USB charging ports for passenger convenience. The Grand Highlander's flexible seating options let you prioritize either maximum passenger capacity with the bench seat configuration or enhanced individual comfort with captain's chairs, while maintaining excellent third-row functionality in both setups. Let's start with configuring the second-row captain's chairs. These individual seats offer multiple adjustment options for optimal comfort and accessibility. Step 1. To slide the captain's chair forward or backward, locate the bar beneath the seat cushion. Pull up on this bar while pushing or pulling the seat to your desired position. Step 2. For reclining the backrest, use the lever located on the outboard side of the seat. Pull the lever while adjusting the backrest angle, then release to lock the position. Step 3. The Easy Access feature allows simple entry to the third row. Pull the Easy Access lever, usually marked with a person icon, and the seat will slide forward and tilt automatically. Now let's configure the second row bench seat. This setup accommodates 3 passengers and offers different folding and sliding options. To fold down sections of the bench seat, pull the release handles located on top of the seat backs. Push the seat backs forward until they lay flat, ensuring seat belts are properly stowed. For sliding adjustment, locate the slide bar under the seat. Pull up and move the seat to your desired position, making sure both sides are aligned properly. The third row offers both manual and power folding options depending on your trim level. Let's cover both methods. For manual folding, first remove or adjust headrests if necessary. Then pull the release straps located on the seat backs and push the seats forward until they fold completely flat. If your vehicle is equipped with power folding, use the buttons located in the cargo area or on the dashboard. Press and hold until seats are fully folded, then reverse the process to raise them. Safety is paramount when configuring seats. Always ensure seat belts are properly routed and all seats are locked in position before driving. Regular maintenance keeps your seat mechanisms working smoothly. Clean seat tracks monthly to prevent debris buildup and lubricate adjustment mechanisms annually for optimal performance. Following these step-by-step procedures ensures safe and efficient seat configuration in your Toyota Grand Highlander, maximizing comfort for all passengers while maintaining proper safety protocols.